Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Scott Wirtanen, and today the Fed cut interest rates 0.25%. So the number one question we get in mortgages is, what does that mean to my mortgage rate? Are we expecting mortgage rates to decrease by 0.25% or more? And really, generally, the answer is no. What the Federal Reserve does impacts short-term interest rates. So if you're getting a credit card, getting a new car loan, you'll see those interest rates change accordingly. Mortgage interest rates are based off of larger economic factors beyond what the Federal Reserve decides to do. So everyone was expecting 0.25% change. Maybe no change could have been the next one, but for the most part, everyone was assuming 0.25%. So not a surprise. Mortgage interest rates should not change one way or another. You actually might see the flip side happen. You may see them increase to finish out the year, and that's because mortgage interest rates are tied to the bond market and overall economic conditions. So think inflation, think unemployment rate. Those really will change the mortgage rates more than what the Federal Reserve does. So do we think something crazy is going to happen with inflation? Do we think something crazy is going to happen with unemployment rates over the next few months? Probably not. And do we think something crazy is going to happen when the Fed meets again in January? Probably not. So I think you're in for some more mortgage stability. You may see slight increases and decreases, but it does not look like there's any reason other than we want them to be lower. There's really no economic data that says they're going to be drastically lower in 2026. So what do you do? How do you impact your affordability? Well, it really comes down to, if you're buying a house, negotiating with your realtor, partnering your realtor and lender together to find the best loan terms. There are things you can do in the moment to find yourself better deals, more affordable houses, than hoping and praying that the Fed takes us back to COVID level interest rates. So hope that helps. It's not too much economic geeking out on this video, but hopefully it gives you a little bit of insight, knowing that if you're out there looking for houses and you were fingers crossed, hey, this Fed thing is going to help me drastically, doesn't look like it. If you have any questions, send me a DM. You can always give me a phone call. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you refinance your home, get pre-approved, or compare interest rates to buy a new place. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. See ya.